Jumping from shared hosting to a VPS can be a bit intimidating because a VPS doesn't come with a website manager like those on shared hosting platform. Hi, this is Sahadat Husain from devsdemy.com, and today in this video I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Hostinger VPS. I always like to consider odd case scenarios. Suppose your domain name is registered on different platform like Namecheap and you have a Cloudflare CDN. So in this video I'll cover everything from connecting your domain name to your VPS and also use Cloudflare as your content delivery network. And finally, I will demonstrate how you can migrate your old website without any data loss. Let's get started. In step 1, we will purchase Hostinger VPS. First things first, let's head over to hostinger.com. Then click on VPS hosting. Then click on choose your plan. Okay, so in VPS hosting plan there are 4 plans: KVM 1, KVM 2, KVM 4 and KVM 8. I personally suggest KVM 2 plan. For mid-level website, this plan is more than enough. So in this plan you will have 2 virtual core CPU, 8GB RAM, 100GB NVMe disk space, 2TB bandwidth, 1 snapshot, weekly backups, dedicated IP address, full root access, AI assistant and malware scanner. So here you can see after 55% discount you will have to pay $8.49 per month. This is only for first year. After the first year you have to pay $80.99. But wait a minute, do you want to get 20% extra discount? You can easily get 20% extra discount if you use my referral link. I will put the referral link in my YouTube video description below. Write devsdemy.link/hostinger. Okay, now visit hosting, VPS hosting. Now click on choose your plan. So let's click on add to cart. Boom. The price has decreased from $8.49 per month to $6.79 per month. Are you feeling happy now? Then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you don't have any account, you have to create an account first, or you can sign in through Google or Facebook. Here input your email address. Enter your password. The password must contain 8 to 50 characters, 1 number, 1 symbol, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter. Okay, now you have to select your payment method now. There are 5 payment methods here: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay and CoinGate. I will use credit card. Okay, here are some information we need to fill up. First name, it's optional but I will recommend to fill up the information. Phone number, country, your region, city, street address, zip code. Here you can see our 20% referral discount has activated. So the main price was $101.88 after 55% hosting a discount. But as you are using my referral link, you are getting extra 20%. That means you have to pay now $81.50. You saved almost $20. Okay, now you have to input your credit card details here. Name on card, credit card number. Now click on submit secure payment. Click on KVM 2 setup. Click on start now. Select location for your VPS. If you are getting most of the traffic from USA, you need to select United States, or if you are getting most of the traffic from UK, you need to select UK. I'll select United States. Click on continue. Select OS with control panel. We will use Cyberpanel because it's beginner friendly and easy to manage your server. Click on I want to use a different control panel and select Cyberpanel. Now set your control panel password. Now set a secure root password. click on finish setup and we are ready to manage our VPS server. Just click on manage server. If you have already installed your VPS with other operating system, no worries. I will show you how you can change your operating system and set up Cyberpanel for your VPS control panel. Okay, click on manage. Here you can see on the left side OS and panel. Click on operating system. There are mainly 3 operating system: OS with control panel, plain OS, application. I am using OS with control panel and I am using Cyberpanel. If you are not using Cyberpanel, if you are using application or plain OS, I will recommend you to change it to Cyberpanel. Just select here Cyberpanel and click on change OS. Okay, here a notification and operating system requires a license. Don't worry, we don't need a license. Click on overview. Here you can see our hosting IP address. We'll need it later. Click on panel access. Here you can see login URL. Just click on it. Okay, your connection is not private. So Cyberpanel doesn't have a SSL certificate. So don't worry, just click on advanced and proceed to your Cyberpanel. Enter your username. You can find your username here. Username. Enter your Cyberpanel password. Okay, I have enabled two-factor authentication, Google Authenticator, so I need to verify this. Okay, now go to website. Click on create website. Select package and default. Select owner, admin, domain name. Enter your domain name here. Enter your email address here. Select your PHP version here. I will recommend to use latest PHP version, PHP 8.1. Here you can see some additional features. Click on SSL, we need SSL, DKIM support and open base directory protection. This is important. Okay, now create website. Wait few seconds. Okay, successfully installed. You can see on the left side there is an option for SSL, manage SSL, select website, domain name, issue SSL. Click on website, list website. Here you can see our website devsahadat.com is available here, but we didn't install WordPress. We need to install WordPress now. But before installing WordPress, we need to connect our domain name. Our domain name is not registered in Hostinger. Our domain name is registered on Namecheap. We need to connect Namecheap domain with Hostinger. And I also want to use Cloudflare. Connecting a Namecheap domain with Cloudflare and Hostinger VPS is little bit confusing. But don't worry, I'm here. I'll explain everything. You never confuse again. So our domain name is on Namecheap. And we want to use Cloudflare. And finally we want to connect our domain name with Hostinger VPS. Okay, so this is domain, Cloudflare CDN and Hostinger VPS. First of all, we need to install Cloudflare. Second, we need to change Namecheap DNS to Cloudflare DNS. And third, we need to set a record Hostinger IP in Cloudflare. So our Namecheap domain will connect with Cloudflare and Cloudflare to Hostinger. That's so simple. Let's do that. Visit cloudflare.com. Click on sign up. We don't need a paid version. We can use a free version to do that. Click on add a website. Write your email address here and a password here. Click on sign up. That's it. I already have an account, so I will log in. Okay, now click on get started, add a website. Write your domain name here. Okay, we will use free version. Click on continue. It will scan for existing DNS records. Okay, you can see the scanning process has completed. Click on continue. Scroll to bottom. You can see your assigned Cloudflare name server. There are 2 name servers. We need to copy that. Okay, now log in your Namecheap account. Go to your dashboard, domain list. Okay, here you can see my domain name devsahadat.com. On the right side, click on manage. Okay, now click on name server, custom DNS. Go to your Cloudflare account, copy the first DNS, paste it here. Again, go to your Cloudflare account, copy the second DNS record. Click on name server 2 and paste it. Click on the check mark to save. Okay, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect, but from my past experience, it only required 30 to 40 minutes to take effect. So don't worry, in the meantime, we will set up rest of the things. Go to your Cloudflare account, click on overview. You can see devsahadat.com is not active on Cloudflare yet, so we need to wait for a few minutes. Great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Okay, click on DNS. Here you can see your domain name with an A records. We need to change this with our Hostinger IP address. Just click on edit. If you can't see an A record with your domain name, just click on add record, A record, and then name. You can use here IP address. Okay, I will edit this. Edit. We can use for root or domain name. Delete this IP address. Now go to your Hostinger account and VPS information. Here you can see your IP address. Copy this. Add your IP address here. Click on save. And that's it. Now we can close this. Okay, again go to your Cyberpanel. Here you can see our domain name. On the right side, click on manage. Okay, scroll down and click on WP plus ls cache. Enter your blog title, login user, login password. Enter your email address here. Keep the path field blank. Click on install now. Okay, our WordPress has successfully installed. Click on WordPress, list WordPress. Click on scan WordPress. Yes. Here you can see our website devsahadat.com has successfully installed. Click on visit. Okay, our website is working now. Let's open admin dashboard. WP admin. Okay, let's check site info. Click on tools and site health. Most of the time, by default, VPS hosting provider limit the memory and max execution time of the VPS server. So we need to change this. First, let's check. Click on info and click on server. Okay, here you can see PHP time limit 30 seconds, PHP memory limit 128 MB, PHP memory limit for admin screen 256 MB, and max input time 60. Upload max file size only 2 MB. So if you want to upload a theme or plugin which size is greater than 2 MB, then you will get an error. Your plugin or theme will not upload. We are using 8 GB RAM VPS, so we can use 1 GB or 2 GB for PHP memory limit. One important thing, the PHP memory limit 128 MB. This 128 MB is only for running WordPress. We don't need 8 GB RAM here just for running WordPress. The 8 GB RAM is for our server. So you can use 25% of your RAM size here. one important thing here, the PHP time limit is set 30 seconds. Suppose your website is little bit complex and it requires some extra time to load your functionality. If it exceeds the time limit, then you will get an error and the page won't open. So click on Cyberpanel, scroll to bottom, you can see an option PHP. Click on edit PHP configs. Okay, select PHP. We are using 8.1, so click on 8.1. Okay, I have already set the memory limit for other website. Okay, 2048 MB. Max execution time 600. Upload max file size 2048 MB. Post max size 2048 MB. Make sure that your upload max file size and post max file size is equal. Okay, we set our max input time 600. Click on save changes. Let's check now. Refresh this. Click on server. Okay, still no change. Don't worry. Click on website, list website. Click on manage. Scroll down and select change PHP. Again select PHP 8.1, change PHP. Now refresh your website. Click on server. Okay, our PHP max input variables was 1000. So how to change this? The setting is here. Click on PHP, edit PHP configs, select PHP version, click on advanced. Okay, click on it and Ctrl F to search. Search for input. Okay, here max input variable equal 3000. So by default the max input variables set to 1000, and by default this line is commented with a semicolon at the beginning. So if you change the value here, it will not change. Suppose I will set it to 5000 and click on save changes, it won't change because this is commented. To activate this, just remove the semicolon from the beginning and click on save changes. Now let's see server. Okay, now PHP max input variables is equal 5000. So I have set up everything, also changed the server configuration so that in future you won't get any problem with your website. So let's check our website on incognito mode. Let's check if our website is using Cloudflare or not. So I'll search on Google hosting detector, copy our website address, click on it, click on lookup. Here you can see we are using Cloudflare. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we need to log in our admin dashboard of our website. Simply click on your website domain name. At the end, click /wp-admin. Click on enter. Write your username here, your password here. Okay, now click on plugins. Click on add new plugin. Search all-in-one WP migration. Here it is. Click on install. Click on activate. Okay, now go to your old website. Here it is. I want to migrate this website to our new domain. Go to your dashboard, click on plugins, add new plugin, install all-in-one WP migration. Click on install now, click on activate. Okay, now go to all-in-one WP migration, click on export, export to, and click on file. Okay, it's 100 MB. Click on download localhost. Okay, here it is. Okay, now go to your new website. Click on all-in-one WP migration. Click on import. Okay, now click on import from file and locate the backup file. Click on open. Now click on proceed. Wait for a minute. Okay, now click on permalink settings. Here you have to input your username and password. The username and password will be your old website username and password. Okay, change your permalink structure. Okay, let's see our new website. So our old website has migrated to our new website. This is our old website. It is in our localhost, and this is our new website. We have successfully migrated from localhost to our new website. You can do that on two websites. Suppose you want to migrate from Namecheap to Hostinger, Hostinger to CloudOS, or any other website. One more thing, sometimes when you migrate a new website and click on a new page, it's showing 404 not found. This is because of caching problem. Clear your website cache and also clear your browser cache. Just go to history, clear browsing data, last hour, and click on clear data. Refresh the page. Okay, wait 10 to 15 minutes, it will be alright. Let's refresh the page again. Okay, it's alright. Sometimes you may face error because of your memory limit. In VPS, it's a common scenario. Just increase your memory limit. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like this video and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video. See you on my next video. Till then, goodbye.